Welcome to RBO. Today guys, we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be cleaning up this pocket Fisherman little thing from back in the day. I believe it was my grandfather's. I found it in the attic. Before we get into that, I want to let you guys know I dropped a new video on my gaming channel. I'll go ahead and link that down in the description. It is covering Pack God being a fraud. So if you guys are interested in that or you want to support me, go ahead and check out that. That'd be really awesome. Again, it'll be down in the description. But while I was up in the attic, I also found a couple cool pieces. We got the Clinton getting impeached newspaper. We also found a Radio Shack handheld radio. It's missing the back piece here, but I'm gonna see if I can just tape that, or maybe I can locate it. But this is a cool little radio. Antenna still works if I don't bend it. We also found a film camera from 1958. I'm going to try to see if this thing works. There's a company that will not replicate the film, but send me the film. I'll have to cut down the film to a certain amount, and then I can send it back to them for them to produce. And as well, I wanted to ask this. Has anyone else had this water bottle or water canteen? This is probably one of my favorite canteens of all time. I had it throughout my childhood. It was always with me, and they're just really cool, big canteens. It's a little dirty because it was in the attic, but it's a big old canteen pretty much in the bag. Let me know if you guys have these and your story behind it. All right, let's get into this. So we're gonna clean this baby up. All we have is some Dawn dish soap and some warm water. It's a very little bit. I made a lot of it so we don't have a problem with the sprayer being a butt. We also have 3 cotton applicators, usually for cleaning pew-pews, but just to help us get in the crevices if we need them. We also have a stack of paper towels and microfiber towelette or hand towel for when we're all done, and if it's actually wet we can go ahead and dry it off. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and lay down some paper towel. Get this on there. It's not gonna absorb all the moisture, but at least I have somewhere for the dirty water to go. Let's go ahead and spray this whole thing down. I don't know what year this one is. I was looking at these on eBay because I don't know, they're just very cool looking. And there might be a couple spots where we don't get all the stuff off. It's fine. I have no idea what this went through, so we're just gonna do the best we can. Not gonna be too hard because we're not trying to tear it up. Let me know if you guys want to see me try this thing out, realign it, and see if it works. And go ahead and take that out in the river. I know I usually do fishing videos on Fridays, but this is the closest thing I can get. My parents are out of town and I'm taking care of a lot of things around the house, so I don't really have the time to go down the river. And yeah, hope you guys don't get upset about that. Just trying to help my parents out. Come back to a nice cleaned house. Decluttered. Mostly just books though, it's nothing bad. My dad just loves books. There's nothing wrong with that. As I'm ranking. There we go. A lot of grease around here, I guess that's the real grease coming out. I have no idea how long this thing has sat without any kind of action. Just sat up in the hot attic. Go ahead and do another. If you guys ever had one of these, I'd love to hear the story behind that as well. I don't know if these things are actually good for catching fish. I've seen a few videos from a couple channels. There's a lot of posts either on Facebook or eBay. They don't go for very much. They are very cool. Just something cool to have up on the wall or something. A man cave. Make sure we get the hand grips. Gunk out of there. I mean, it's looking better. That's what we're gonna need the Q-tips for. Right down yonder. Take this, suck up some of that moisture, and just use the scrub. And then we can pretty much shimmy a paper towel down there and just dry it all out. Oh, that's the line thing. We don't want that going down there. Go ahead, bend up your paper towel, stick it in there. Looking way better. Just try not to break anything. It's looking nice, guys. I wasn't expecting to clean up like brand new, but I say it looks pretty nice. What do you guys think? Just with some Dawn dish soap and some warm water. Let me get this between here. Get this out of here. There. Nice and cleaned up. You guys know what this is for? Let me know. Maybe hanging on your belt or something. Let's see that as a possibility. You know, it just slides right in. Let me know if you guys know what that is. Looks like we might have something in here. Not taking a look. Why does that look like a handrail? Because it is a hand. Oh my. I guess my grandfather was making fishing kits as well. That is crazy. I have some just exactly like this. Basic piece of wood, you notch it out and throw some line around it. That is insane. That's really cool though. Seems like we got 2 different size hooks. I don't know if that tension's there from like age or you just gotta move it over to the side. Goodness gracious. Looks like the line might have tightened. Okay, there we go. Actually, no, we'll just keep that on there. Oh, chipped off a little piece. Just gonna keep that on there for memory's sake. Last time I was truly tied on there was by my grandfather, which passed before I was born. So that's something to hold on to. That's really cool. And we're gonna go in here, clean it out a little bit. This little compartment, just a little spritz. Go ahead and hit this lid first. A little bit of gunk on the sides. Yeah, this seems cool. Yeah, let me know if you guys want me to see how this thing works. Take it out in the field, give her a good try. Definitely have to put some new line in it. And yeah, cool little thing. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Thank you guys for watching the video. And I hope you go over to my gaming channel and check it out. I only got 2 videos posted. It's my Minecraft tour and then the video exposing Pack God. I do apologize for the Pack God video because I had to add some random GTA play in the back of the end of the video. So the first 2-3 minutes are the actual video. So just watch the beginning of the video. It's very fast, it's very quick, and it gets straight to the point. And there's very solid evidence that that YouTuber is a fraud. Again, thank you guys for watching the channel. Have a nice day.